Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see, I am here at CVS. I didn't plan on coming in here to do any coupon deals. I was actually headed to pick up some dinner, and some Ibotta rebates popped up on my account. Now, I don't know if these are new to everyone or they're just new to me. But I hadn't had those on my account. They popped up. I couldn't believe what they were. I've never seen these on Ibotta, and I've never used them. So I said, well, I'm going to run. Actually, I did see the one, the floss. I didn't. So I was like, I got to run. I got to take advantage of this because I think it's a money maker. And I knew I didn't have any paper coupons, so I wanted to run and get it done. So what you guys need to do is make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on it and go ahead and fill in all of your information. And the very first time that you submit a receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $10. And then you want to share your link with all your friends and family, because the first time they redeem a rebate, you get $10 and they get $10 plus whatever the amount of the rebate is. So if this is your first time using Ibotta and you do this deal I'm about to show you, guys, you could make like $12 off of this deal. Like, CVS will be paying you that much money to come shop for them, plus you have a couple items for free. And then you get your money back like instantaneously with Ibotta. It's not like coupons.com where you have to wait a day or two, 48 hours. With Ibotta, I usually have my money back within 1 to 3 minutes. So that's what I like about Ibotta. So I'm going to get off the Ibotta rampage, and I'm going to get into this deal because this is an amazing deal. Okay, guys. So as usual, the music is blaring. Pop rock all in the background, and I just don't want my video messed up, so I had to come to the front of the store to do the deal for you guys. But it doesn't matter, you guys still get the gist of it. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab 4 of these Oral-B toothbrushes. They are on a special, buy 2 and you get a $5 extra buck. You could do the deal 2 times. They are $4.69 a piece. Okay, now I'm adding in these Glide Oral-B products because I have a CRT that is spend $20, get $5 off, or spend $25 and get $5 off. Either one will come off because I'm going to be a little over $25. So I'm going to get $10 back for an extra bucks for these Oral-B toothbrushes. But guess what, guys? There's an Ibotta rebate for these, and you get $2 back for each one, but there's a limit of 3. So really, I only wanted to get 3 because the Ibotta the Ibotta rebate was only for 3. But there doesn't make sense for me to get 3 and not get the 4th one to get my extra bucks, because it's buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks. So if I buy 4, I get $10 in extra bucks, as opposed to if I got 3, I would only get $5 in extra bucks. So I had to grab the 4. So that brings me to like $18 and some change. Now, I wanted to get to the 25 or the 20 so that I could take advantage of that CRT that I have. Plus, there are Ibotta rebates for the Glide floss. So you can either get the Glide floss or the Glide, what do you call them? Floss picks. So at CVS, this floss is $4.99. You buy one, you get the second one 50% off. Now, when I looked on the CVS website, there were a couple different Glide flosses that they had, and they all attached to the rebate. And then they also had floss picks. Unfortunately, my CVS don't have those. Only thing they had were these. And then they had the double packs, and the double packs were like $8 and some, which I didn't need to spend that much to be able to take advantage of the rebates from Ibotta and the CRT. So I got these 2. So the first one I want to pay $4.99 for, and then the second one I'm going to pay $2.50 for. And then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get $2 back for each one of these. And these are a limit of 3, just like the toothbrushes are. So I'm actually going to get 2, 4, 6, 8, $10 back from Ibotta, and I'm going to get $10 back from in extra bucks, and I'm going to use a $5 CRT. Now, there's no paper coupons that are out right now. The ones that we had were in the April P&G, and they're expired now. And there's no new ones in the May P&G. I already checked. But we do have some digital coupons on the CVS website, the CVS app. So you can use the $2 off Oral-B manual adult toothbrush. And then there's 2 for the Oral-B floss picks. But the only one that's going to work is the $1 one, because this one is for 150 count floss picks or the multi-pack Oral-B floss. So we're going to use this one right here for the $1 off the floss or the Glide or the floss picks, and then we're going to use this $2 one off the toothbrushes. So that's going to be another $3 off. So I'm going to head up to the register, pay for everything, come back with my receipt so you guys can see what a fantastic deal this is. Okay, guys, I am back in the car, so let's go over our receipt. But before we do, let me show you, I did make a mistake, guys, but it's still a fantastic deal. No money out my pocket. So remember, I was telling you could use the digital coupons. This Oral-B manual adult toothbrush coupon is for the multi-pack. So when I showed it to you earlier, you guys were probably looking at like, can't she read? That's the multi-pack. I only had the single one. So this one is not going to work. But the $1 off the Oral-B Glide floss picks does work. So that one will come off. So I apologize for telling you guys that one works, because it didn't work. But we still have an amazing deal. So let's go over the receipt. So here you see there's the Oral-B toothbrushes. There's 4 of them. Now, no, excuse me. This is the Oral-B floss that rang up first. So the first one was $4.99. Then the second one rang up half price for $2.50 or $2.49. It came to $2.50 rather. And then you have the Oral-B toothbrushes. They were each $4.69 a piece. So here's what I used. I used the Oral-B $1 digital coupon. I used the $5 off 20 Crest Scope Oral-B CRT. I had a $5 off 25. I don't know why that one didn't come off. Maybe because the $5 off 20 was expiring first. It doesn't matter because they're both $5, and I'll use the other one on the toothpaste. So then I used a total of $20.24 in extra bucks. So that's what the CVS coupon is for. The Care Pass $10 reward and the 24 cents in extra bucks. And you see it was 0. But I got back, so you say that out of pocket was $20.24 because you count extra bucks as money. So that's $20.24 I spent. But then I got back the $10 in extra bucks for purchasing 2 select Oral-B toothbrushes. But remember, you could do the deal twice. So when you get 2, you get $5. I did the deal twice, so that's how I got 10. And then here is my thing I got back from Ibotta. You see, I got $10 back from Ibotta, and then I got 25-cent bonus. And that is when you complete 2 Oral-B rebates. They have to be separate rebates. So I did the toothbrush rebate and the floss rebate. So I got 25 cents. So that was a total of $10.25 I got from Ibotta. So when you add the ECBs and the money I got back from Ibotta, that's $20.25. I spent $20.24. So this is a 1-cent moneymaker, but it's still a good deal because you got 4 toothbrushes and 2 packs of floss for free. So guys, I hope you like this deal. I hope you're able to go out and do it. You may have some other CRTs that you could throw in here to make this a money maker. you know, you might have a lower threshold, or you might have some CRTs that you can combine. Just look through your app and your CRTs and match things up. And come back, let me know how you made out. Let me know what you chose to do. And make sure that you download Ibotta and submit your receipt to Ibotta. And thank you guys so much for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.